Yo, 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 what is up, guys? And welcome to season 2 of Big E the Jeweler, starring none other than Big E himself and your man Bob right here. Bob, say what's up for season 2. Say what's up, guys. And Bob, I gotta introduce you to someone, buddy. I gotta introduce Bob to somebody, guys. Here's Joe, guys. Here's Joe. Bob, check Joe out. Bob. Yo, don't play me, son. Don't play me. All right, guys, we are back. And like you guys just saw, Bob has a friend. This is Joe. Welcome, Joe, to the channel, guys. Bob was a little upset. Joe put him in his place. It is all good in the hood because we are here and we are blessed. And while you guys are seeing this, it's gonna just have passed New Year's Eve. So happy New Year's to you all. And as you guys see, Bob's holding the sign in the background. Sorry, Joe, I love you, but you haven't earned that one yet. And we got Miami Lynx, guys. And I dug out this Miami Lynx hat. Guys, about 15 months ago, I moved back home to New York. I was living in Miami for 15 years. Dan blessed me with this hat literally right when he started Miami Lynx, guys. Maybe like 6 months in, 8 months in. And I did not think that I brought any of these with me because when I left Miami, it was because my mom got sick. Don't worry, guys, my mom is absolutely fine right now and she's my best friend and she's with me all the time. That being said, I did not think that I had this hat. Sorry, Joe. I didn't think I had this hat, and lo and behold, it just kind of turned up. The other night I was looking around, I saw some bright colors. I was like, what the hell is that? And it was this hat, and I was like, yo, this is perfect. So guys, Miami Lynx. We got Miami Lynx today. We got the new format today, but we got all the familiarities, guys. We got Bob here. We got Joe here. Ravioli's off to the side right now because Ravioli is a little too rambunctious today to be in any videos. But that being said, guys, I had to give you a little bit of an extended clip. Oh, Bob. Sorry, guys. Bob just fell off the table. Bob, chill, man. Chill. All right, guys. I had to give you a little bit of an extendo clip on that intro because this is the first episode of season 2. That being said, we do have Miami Lynx, and I'm showing you the back of this package. And guys, I have been patient. I have not opened this. That's how much I love you guys. I have not opened this package. It's been staring at me. It's been talking to me. It's been like, Biggie, open me. And I've wanted to open it, guys. Let me tell you, I've wanted to open it because in this package is the bracelet that matches this chain that Dan made for me. And it's been sitting here, guys. It's been sitting here for a while. And I am very excited because I am about to see this bracelet for the first time ever with you guys. So that being said, let's get this open. I'm opening this from behind.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Because I have the label with all my personal information. Actually, pause on that, opening it from behind. Major pause, guys, but I am opening this up and we are gonna see it. And while I'm opening it up, guys, listen, let me give you guys a little disclaimer here, okay? This season, man, obviously we're gonna be weighing things. Obviously we are gonna be you know, measuring things and sometimes diamond testing things, but you guys know what's up, right? I don't need to, of course I'm gonna weigh stuff because you guys want to know how much it weighs, right? Obviously, I'm gonna measure it because I want to make sure it's legit. But the diamond testing stuff, guys, listen, if you guys want me to do it all the time, leave it in the comments. Obviously today we don't need to diamond test this because we are opening 999 18mm silver piece. And as I say that, look at this, guys. So let's toss this bag to the side. And yo, I'm amped to open this, guys. What a year last year with Dan, guys, with Miami Lynx, all the amazing pieces. They launched this handmade line and it's off the chain. I absolutely love it. I'm all about it. I wear my silver chain all the time, guys. And at the end of the day, Miami Lynx sells a lot of stuff, guys. I mean, listen, obviously, guys, you guys are going to Miami Lynx right now for all the 999s. I don't blame you because I just awarded them the best handmade of the year. I didn't do that for any favors. I didn't do it for whatever reason, but we're about to open this box right now and we're about to see why. So let me stop talking and let's check this out, guys. So we're opening this up. By the way, this is a new box. This is a new box. I have not seen this box yet, but here we go. We are greeted with this. Oh, wow. All right. We got a little pillow in here, guys. Might let Ravioli sleep with that. Let me file this to the side. And here we go, guys. So that is it right there. Miami Lynx box. Actually really feeling that box. Shout out to Miami Lynx on that one. And guys, let us open this up together. And oh my God.
Oh my God. Wow.
Oh my God. Yo, guys. Yo. Look at this bracelet, guys. Look at this bracelet, guys. Look at this engraving right here. We got the Miami Lynx. We got these tight links, guys. Listen, first impressions right here. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at that. I mean, I mentioned this when I was giving Miami Lynx the award for the best handmade, and this is the exact reason. When you open this thing, it literally looks rhodium plated, guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'm actually using a new camera, so I'm hoping that you guys can see that a little bit better. Let me actually go like this, and let's get a little bit of this light out of here. But guys, check, yeah, there we go. Check that out, guys. I mean, come on right there. I mean, this is crazy.
Sensational. That's the word you're looking for.
I mean, listen, guys, I don't know about you. I'm definitely a handmade lover. Wow, major pause. I definitely love handmaids, and this is just next level. I mean, the file on it, the weight. I mean, Jesus, this thing is heavy, guys. Hang on a second. Let me actually pull out Little Bertha over here because I managed to revive Little Bertha, and that's a story we'll get into for another day. But before we get this on wrist or anything like that, let us get, here's Little Bertha, guys. Say hi to Little Bertha for season 2. So here we go. Uh-oh, guys. I might have spoken too soon. Uh-oh. I have a straight up, it just says UNS on it. I don't even know what that is, guys. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, Little Bertha is done. Little Bertha is cooked. But you know what, guys? I prepared for this. Bob, get out of here, bro. I prepared for this, and I got this. So you know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and do this little unboxing right here. Well, we got this beautiful, beautiful bracelet in front of me, and let's see how quick I can do this. I think I can do this one mad quick right here. But guys, this is Little Bertha, but on steroids. And this is like Bertha 2. This is Little Bertha 2, like T2. This is, you know what? This is B2, guys. This is B2, because look at this thing right here. Let's see if this joint came with the batteries on in it. Did it? Oh, wait, hang on. What am I doing? There we go. Let me pull this out. Let me file this over. And guys, I am a professional because I didn't even need to pause you guys. And there we go, guys. We got Bertha 2. We got B2. So I'm gonna tear this right now, and let's get B2 down for her first weight. Oh, there we go. B2 almost fell. Okay, here we go, guys. We got B2 ready for the first weight. And again, because we might have forgotten with all the BS I just put you guys through, let's see how much this bracelet weighs. And right now it's not weighing anything because for some reason this is not working. Oh, I had a clear cover on it, guys. You guys know me. I do that stuff, all right? All right, I do that. It had a cover on it. All right. So let's zero this out again. We're zeroed out, and let's see how much this bracelet weighs. 201 grams. 201 grams on this bracelet, guys. 201 grams. Now we are going to get a quick measurement right here because we do want to see what the width is on this. Pause. Let's zero this out and let's see real quick. You guys see I got my measurement right here. 18.13, 18.55, and we'll just do one more, guys. 18.74. So obviously we are definitely weighing and we are definitely measuring. And guys, before I put this on wrist, let's listen to this lock. All right, let's see the tension on this. Oh wow, I can, guys, these butterflies are crazy, but let's see if I can get this right here. Let me put it right under the mic for you guys. Oh, I hope I got that. I hope I got that. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna do it again just in case, but listen to this. Oh, wow. And these butterflies, guys, let's see.
What is your mark?
Bang. Wow. Guys, we are in business right here. This is no joke. This is no joke right here. So let me just put this thing on wrist, guys, because let me tell you, I am excited. I am beyond excited to get this thing on wrist. Hang on a sec. And let's do this and let's get this wrist shot, guys, because I am about to form like Voltron and we are about to see. Hang on. Come on. Oh, guys, that is official right there. All right, guys, check this out. Check that out right there, guys. Check that out. Man, this thing is crazy, guys. And listen, I mean, you know, I was talking about it before, guys, but silver right now is fucking crazy, man. I mean, listen, by the time that you guys are watching this review, okay, so today is, I think, the 28th, right? It's a weekend, so the spot market is closed, but silver closed out at $79.27, guys, right before Christmas, which is crazy. So by the time you guys are watching this, silver could be up over 80 or silver might have taken a dip a little bit. We don't know yet, and I can't tell the future, even though you guys are going to be watching this in the future. But guys, silver, man, silver to me is turning into the new gold. Silver is turning into the new gold. And guys, gold is fucking crazy too, man. Gold is just crazy right now. Gold is well over $4,500 an ounce. And like, I didn't think that I was going to be seeing these numbers. And I'm not lying to you guys, until at least 2027. At least. There is no, maybe gold. All right, maybe gold. Maybe I thought gold by mid 2026 would be 4,500, you know, 4,600, somewhere around there. But silver, guys, at fucking $80, man, at $80. So listen, you guys know I am the true silver surfer. I am the leader of the silver surfers. I got a lot of silver surfers watching this channel right now, and I got a lot of silver surfers watching this review right now, guys. Silver is 100% my absolute favorite metal. I am super into it. And then, guys, listen, I got a lot of gold that's going to be reviewed. I got a lot of diamonds that are being reviewed this year, a lot of stones, a lot of everything. You guys know I am a fan of jewelry all the way across the board. But silver, guys, I mean, listen, and this is all I'm going to say about it, guys. If you don't have silver, or you're not open to it, or you're just a gold person, start buying it. Start trying it out. Invest in it. Wear it. It is a beautiful metal. And guys, I am going to be making a video showing you top to bottom, pause, how to clean your silver and how to keep it shiny all year round. But guys, listen, this bracelet, man, shit. I'm like just sitting here talking to you guys, but man, I mean, look at this fucking combo here, guys. Look at this combo. And I got my silver glasses on. You guys know I had to do that. But man, shout out to Miami Lynx. That's why I put the hat on today, guys. Shout out to Miami Lynx, man, because Miami Lynx is doing it big. And I have so many projects coming up with Miami Lynx, guys. You are going to see some really cool stuff this year, and I'm super excited to show it to you. But anyway, guys, that has been enough talking for this review today. And the reason is because it's Sunday right now, and I've been filming all morning. And I'm allowed to be lazy sometimes, guys. I don't want to sit here and keep talking for a million years, even though this has been the season 1 premiere, and a dope premiere at that with Miami Lynx. Yo, Miami Lynx is the shit. Bob, keep holding that fucking sign up. But guys, listen, there is nothing left to do right now, but, I was about to say rate it. I was about to say rate it, guys. I was about to say rate it, but let's take a short little break from our sponsor, One Bone. All right, guys, so One Bone has you covered from size medium, actually all the way up to size 8X, which I just found out. They got shirts, boxers, pants, sweatshirts, hoodies, jackets, you name it. Use the code in my description, Biggie15, to get 15% off your first order and to see your boys' favorite styles. One Bone is legit. It is the shirt I'm wearing right now. And honestly, I wear One Bone covered in head to toe every single day. So click the link in that description and make sure you read the descriptions, guys, because I actually put effort into it. All right, back to the rating. All right, guys, so now we are back. Shout out to Miami Lynx. Shout out to all of you guys for tuning in right now. Season 2 is going to be nuts, guys. I have so much packed in this year. I have so much cool stuff. Where the hell did Joe go? And guys, fucking Joe's here, man. Fucking Joe is here. What up, Joe? What up, Joe? We got Joe and we got Bob right above his head right there. But season 2, guys, is gonna be next level, and I am doing it big for you guys all year long. You guys are gonna see more videos. You're gonna see more Bob. You're gonna see more me. You're gonna see a bunch of Joe. I'm doing it again. I don't know what's up, Joe. You wanna just chill with me? Anyways, guys, there's nothing left to do but rate this beautiful bracelet that I got from Miami Lynx. And on the dope or nope verdict, guys, congratulations, Miami Lynx. As always, you guys are certified dope. Guys, do me a favor, please like my video, please subscribe to the channel, please look for that hype button and hype that video. Please leave your boy a thanks, because it is much appreciated. Guys, we're gonna be having reviews every couple days all month long, so make sure you stay tuned into the channel. And this has been your boy Big E, and your boy Joe, and your boy Bob, and we are out. Peace.